Classrooms also need a balance of active and quiet materials in order to keep children engaged and interacting in positive ways. If children get overwhelmed by active play, you can guide them toward quieter materials. You can guide children who need to move around toward an active area. With a nice balance of active and quiet materials, you can guide children to the types of activities that will be most beneficial to them. Let's see how one teacher uses the materials in the classroom to support a child's behavior.
Speckled log. Oh, Dustin, he doesn't know what you want to say unless you use your words. What would you like to tell him? What would you like to tell him with your words?
Please don't do that.
Teacher Shannon Pimentel uses the classroom environment to guide children's behavior. Today, for 3-year-old Dustin, that means moving from an active area to a quiet space. Shannon sometimes uses the library area in her classroom as a calming down area.
He sometimes needs a quieter place or an activity to do by himself for a few moments just to calm down or quiet down when we're inside the classroom.
And then the frog went in the water because he went with his friends.
Who are his friends?
There's one named another Dustin and another John.
Today we went over and read a book, and he was able to be one-on-one with the teacher, and it was a quiet area where he wasn't distracted by the many other things going on in the classroom.
Now we're going to ask you to think about the quiet and active materials in your classroom. What additional quiet or active materials would you like to add to support children's behavior?
Activity 3C, Quiet and Active Materials. What quiet materials do you have available? What active materials do you have? What additional quiet or active materials would you like to add to support children's behavior? Some examples of quiet materials are books, puzzles, writing materials, Lego blocks, stringing beads, table blocks, board games, lotto, counting activities, ordering activities, magnifying glasses, science experiments, magnetic letters, flannel board and cutouts, art materials. Some examples of active materials are blocks, the water table, musical instruments, dramatic play props, beanbag toss games, indoor motor play activities, woodworking tools.